In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a domain EPP or authorization code from Namecheap step by step. This is the code you need if you want to transfer your domain to another registrar, and I'll also show you exactly where to find it inside your Namecheap account. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your domains are stored and managed in one place. Now find the domain name that you want to transfer. If you have multiple domains, make sure you choose the correct one because the authorization code is specific to that domain. Once you've found it, click Manage next to the domain. This will open the settings page for that domain. From here, look for the Sharing and Transfer tab. Click that tab to open the transfer related settings. This is where Namecheap keeps the options you need for moving your domain away from their platform. Next, scroll down until you find the Transfer Out section. In this area, you may see the domain lock setting. If domain lock is turned on, you need to switch it off first. This is an important step because a locked domain cannot usually be transferred until it is unlocked. After the domain is unlocked, look for the Auth code option. Click Auth code to begin the process of generating or viewing your EPP code. In some cases, Namecheap may ask you to select a transfer reason before continuing. If that happens, just choose the reason that best matches your situation and move on. Once you're ready, click Send Code. Namecheap will then send the authorization code to the registrant email address associated with the domain, so make sure you check the correct email inbox for that domain. It may take a few minutes to arrive, so if you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder too. And that's it. You've successfully requested your domain EPP or authorization code from Namecheap. From here, you can use that code with your new registrar to complete the transfer process. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy website and domain tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.